What happens when two neutron stars collide? Imagine a cosmic dance culminating in a colossal crash, releasing energy billions of times more powerful than our sun. These rare collisions, known as kilonovae, are spectacular cosmic fireworks that not only light up the universe, but also forge the heaviest elements like gold and platinum. As the stars spiral inward, they emit gravitational waves, rippling through the fabric of space-time. The aftermath is a dazzling explosion, scattering newly formed elements across the cosmos. Such events remind us of the universe's ability to create and destroy on a grand scale. What do you think about this cosmic phenomenon? Share your thoughts below.